Hey Challenge students, it's Miss Lovin. I am so glad to begin class back with you, even though from far away, but I'm excited to get going. So all of our lessons are going to be on something called Canvas, and Canvas is something that the district is using, and it is for students of every grade. So you're going to go to KDISD, and you need to go to MyKD login. We're going to find MyKD Cloud. Lots of ways to get there, however you want to go. And then you're going to log in. You're going to use your username and your KDISD password. Should have that memorized. If you need it, just let me know. When you get to KD Cloud, you're going to select Canvas. If it's not here, it may not be right here on your dashboard where you have it. Go ahead and you can click the little magnification or magnifying glass. Even if you just type in the first couple letters, it'll come up here. So again, you're going to put in your username and your password to sign in or log in for the first time. Remember, your view is going to look a little bit different than mine. So when you come here, you're going to have something, you'll see a dashboard, and this is going to show you all of the classes that you have been signed up for. You should see one that has Challenge, first grade, second, third, fourth, or fifth, whichever one you are in. I'm going to go ahead and click on second grade just as an example. Right now they look pretty similar, and I'm going to go to our student view here. Now this is what it will look like when you log in. So you'll see quite a few things here, but let me show you the most important that you need to pay attention to for now. So the first thing, we have these buttons right here. This is for home assignments, discussions. These are our first three, and modules, it's going to be where your lessons are. Those are going to be important. But everything you'll need are going to be linked right here. So right here I have a letter to parents and things like that, and talking about our theme for the year for innovation. Down here you'll see our challenge objectives, our challenge understandings for our unit. Remember, our unit is law. We were just getting ready to start. And then our essential questions, and we've been looking at those this year as well. Okay, so that's kind of a main home page. That's kind of where we're going to start. Then we have two buttons up here, grade level activities and more resources. Your lessons for the week are going to be in grade level activities. This links to a page that has all of the grade levels in it. So you'll notice you're like, Miss Lemon, I'm not in fifth grade, or I'm not in second. Just click on the grade that you are in. We'll click on second grade again, and it will open up to your lesson. So here's the lesson, and if you want to see it in a bigger view, you can go up to right here, the little pop-out arrow. Okay, so this will look the same from week to week. It'll be the same format, new activities, new things to learn, but it will look the same. So once you get it, you'll just repeat for weeks 2 and 3. So you're going to complete the tasks in blue, green, and red independently, and then you'll submit your assignment to me by Friday evening. If you need to get into KD Cloud or your Google, remember these are your logins. So it looks like this. Our first step is vocabulary, and then you have a task. Different grade levels are different depending on what we want you to do. Then an independent reading or an independent learning, and then a task. An activity, and then tasks. Many times you'll see you have options. You can pick your favorite or do more than one if you want. And then it always ends with a reflection. So I want to know, I'm asking you kind of some questions of what you learned, what you thought, what questions you still have. And then you're going to submit that back to me at the end of the week. You get through that and you've gotten all of your other assignments completed for your other classes. These are optional extra enrichment activities. You'll also notice that in your week for second grade, you'll see week 1 logic. So many times as we do logic puzzles in class, I have these posted here for you. Here are your instructions. This is a grid logic puzzle. If you're not sure how to do it, there's a video. And then I will make sure that you have the information to log in. If you do need to log in, you'll use your Google account, and that information is on the first page. So that is how to get on and access your lessons for the week. I will show you in a next video of how to submit your assignment.